Want to start an online business with zero inventory and no upfront costs? In this video, I'll show you how to start a print-on-demand business step by step, and how some people are making $10,000 or more per month. Stay till the end for a secret profit-boosting strategy. Print-on-demand is a business model where you sell custom-designed products without holding any inventory. You create a design, upload it to platforms like Teespring, Printify, or Redbubble, and when someone buys, the platform prints and ships it for you. You only pay after a sale. This means there's virtually no risk. Imagine this. Someone buys a t-shirt with your design on it. Maybe it's a funny quote about dogs or a cool graphic design. You wake up the next morning, check your phone, and boom, you've made a sale while you were sleeping. That's the beauty of passive income. The print-on-demand platform handles everything, the printing, the shipping, even customer service. You just focus on the fun part, creating awesome designs and marketing your products. This business model is perfect for anyone who wants to start a side hustle, build a passive income stream, or even escape their 9-to-5. In this video, I'm going to break down everything you need to know to start your own print-on-demand business in 2025. So if you're ready to start your entrepreneurial journey and potentially achieve financial freedom, buckle up and let's dive right in. The first step to building a successful print-on-demand business is choosing the right niche. A niche is a specific market or audience with a shared interest. You don't want to be everything to everyone. That's a recipe for disaster. Instead, focus on a smaller, passionate group of people who are more likely to buy from you. For example, instead of targeting everyone who wears t-shirts, you could focus on cat lovers, yoga enthusiasts, gamers, or people who love a specific TV show. The key is to find a niche that's profitable, meaning there's high demand for products in that niche, but also has low competition. Start by thinking about your own interests and passions. What are you into? What are your hobbies? What communities are you a part of? Once you have a few ideas, it's time to do some research. Free tools like Google Trends can show you how popular certain keywords are over time. Pinterest is a goldmine for finding trending designs and products. Spend some time browsing through these platforms, see what's selling well, and pay attention to the keywords and designs that pop up. Choosing the right niche is crucial for your success. It's the foundation of your entire business, so take your time, do your research, and choose wisely. Now here's where the fun begins, creating your designs. But don't worry, you don't need to be Picasso or a Photoshop wizard to create awesome designs that sell. There are tons of tools and resources available to help you, even if you have zero design skills. One of my favorite tools is Canva. It's a free drag-and-drop design platform that's super user-friendly, even for beginners. Canva has thousands of templates, fonts, graphics, and stock photos that you can use to create professional-looking designs in minutes. If you're looking for a more advanced option, Photopea is a great free alternative to Photoshop. It has a similar interface and features to Photoshop, so you can really unleash your creativity. AI tools like Kittle and Midjourney can generate unique designs based on your prompts. Now, no matter what tool you use, here are a few design tips to keep in mind. Keep your designs bold and simple. Intricate designs might look cool, but they don't always translate well onto t-shirts and mugs. Make sure your designs are high resolution. Blurry designs are a big no-no. And most importantly, make sure your designs are original and don't infringe on any copyrights. Remember, your designs are the heart and soul of your print-on-demand business. So, get creative, have fun, and don't be afraid to experiment. Alright, you've